Look who I found today. Show the teeth.
Show the teeth.
We both have teeth now. Teeth.
Why?
Because we have teeth. Last time, a few years ago, we didn't have teeth. Do you remember? What did you bring today, Emil? What did you bring me to repair today?
Ah, my Dualtron 2S.
What?
Dualtron 2
2S?
S single motors.
Where did you find that?
OLX.
So you've had it for about 2 days now, right?
Yes.
And what was the problem? The brakes, what the problem?
Ah, brakes. Weightier is
Semi-hydraulic.
semi-hydraulic. Is
Shit. Bullshit.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Okay. Okay, so this is the Dualtron 2S. It's made in Korea.
In Korea, 2S is single motor.
Single motor.
Single motor.
Only this motor. Yeah, and it's a split rim. And look at the front wheel. Look how nice it is.
No motors front.
No motors, but it's still a split wheel and it's a very thick axle.
Strong axle.
Yeah, like motor axle. So this is a historic model. This is something that you can't find everywhere. And we also have the rear.
It's very rare.
Very rare.
Models.
Yeah.
It's very rare.
And this is the brakes that it has. It's semi-hydraulic, but it's shit.
Shit.
And now, no, this is still shit. And now we are gonna install the not dual piston mechanical calipers. Because Emil doesn't want hydraulic now, wants to test it on mechanical brakes. Okay, we're gonna try to use the original caliper adapter because it's made for 140 millimeters disc. So it's a small disc. We are gonna try to use this adapter, and it's not good because the brake pads don't touch the whole disc, and also the motor rubs on the caliper. So we need to get the disc further from the motor and eventually a bigger disc. Okay, let's see how a 10 years old scooter was made. And we have a sync battery, 60 volts, 18.2 amps hour. It's a pretty large battery, but it's 60 volts. One controller. You need to make sure these are not too long because this can puncture the battery. No. This is how it looks. It also has the main power button here, and this is the motor cable that we need. Okay, get the motor cable out. Oh, it's glued. It's glued.
No.
Okay, take it out. It's kinda useless to put plugs on this because it's not gonna fit through that hole anyway. So we need to install the plugs after we install the cable back. And as I said, the battery was scratched from one screw. So be very careful with the screws from the side. We are also going to change the tire because it's very old.
Enemy is very old. Problem.
Show the tire. Show the new tire, which I want to install. It's that one. Get it. Yeah. Which one is better? Huh? So this is the motor, tiny motor, and it's a split rim. You don't see that in Dualtron nowadays. It's only tubeless. Let's give it a quick clean. And check this out. the old Minimoto's motor only has 5 screws. Yeah. So this is the new tire. This is the new disc. Looks dope. And this is the new caliper. Yeah. So everything fits now. Let's
Very nice.
screw them like this. The screws are not new but are better than the old ones.
Yes.
So it works.
Yes, my friend.
Okay. Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Okay, I made here a special tool because I don't have it. I think we need to wait to cool down. Yes, or grab it like this and it like this. And now we can unplug the motor like this. See? It works.
Oh. Congratulations.
Okay, now we are fixing the screws that we're hitting in the back. So this is the destroyer. The destroyer.
S-a dus în jos și
Curios să vedem ce drac naiba are făcut.
English.
ai înțeles, asta vin...
What?
This hole
Yes.
and this is the screw.
Yes.
Is more large than hole.
Yes.
And is a problem.
Yes.
It's very long and perforated the battery.
Yes. Now it's fixed. Gata, o ținem.
Ia mai...
No,
Nu, dar
don't
nu
use the X like that, Emil.
Auzi, Emil?
Emil.
Fă-i așa să trag eu ușor. Gata, hai așa.
Stai.
Mă bă piciorul meu, băga mea și...
This is very complicated.
E pe la garaj.
Stai că... Lasă la mine. Ține de ea.
Did you check the game? Is the game here? There?
Da, să-i dau cu ciocanul ăsta.
A zis
Ține
bine.
de ea.
A zis bine.
Știi ce mi-e frică? Să nu se ia cu tot cu fire de aluminiu. Ține.
Te pui la mine, dacă nu o terminăm, o continuăm. Auzi, Panu, continuăm mâine pe una de acolo.
Ia de rulmenție. O, e rulmentul țiplă, mă, n-are nimic. Ia de rulmenție Emile. Ăsta trebuie să-l schimbăm.
Doar unul, ăla de sus.
Să fie la fel. Asta. Se centrează.
Only one was broken?
Emulation, spotation, augmentation.
Am la jos este bun.
E pe pula mea.
Păi și atunci de ce nu mă păcălești?
Invers.
Why?
Ai, shit, fucking crazy. There's...
Doar rulmentul.
Doar rulmentul și cuvetele.
Spune că este bună cuveta aia.
Da, cuvetele sunt bune. Cuvetele astea nu se duc. Asta nu pare de ce să le schimbi.
So we also changed the bearings, the direction bearings, and now we're closing it up. After all, Emil came to his senses and listened to me and installed hydraulics brakes. Look at this. How do you like it, Emil?
I am happy client.
Look at this. Yes, and look at this. How good it looks. one noise, and here no noise. How clean it is. So this is a very rare scooter. You are not gonna see it on the street, only if Emil decides to go to the shop with it. But otherwise I don't think you'll ever see another one on the street. How much it weighs? Like 21 kilograms? 20, maximum 25. One motor.
Super light. This is super light scooter.
And also the brakes are light, the tires are very light. Everything we installed today is also light. So it's a scooter that fits in the elevator, and you can also take it on the bus because you can lift it easily, as you can see.
Ia uite, am intrat în package și mai băgat